Hi, it's Old Wave and Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to grill up shrimp from frozen in the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. I'm sure you've been to like the warehouse stores and other places and you see these frozen shrimp and they might have a nice sale price and you're like, I don't want to go through the hassle of, having to thaw those out and then get them grilled after thawing them out. The Breville Combi Wave makes it super easy to just throw them in. They defrost, they grill up nice, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so going to prepare things right here on top of the Breville Combi Wave. I've got 12 frozen shrimp, that's basically about 8 ounces of shrimp. Got some extra virgin olive oil, I also have some Old Bay seasoning. So I start by just getting some oil on each of the shrimp, so I just kind of slosh them around in the oil. And after sloshing them in the oil, just put them into the crisper pan for the Breville Combi Wave. Alright, got them all mixed in oil. Now I'm going to sprinkle some Old Bay on them. And if you're wondering, why don't I just pour oil on them while they're in the same bowl? It's just a personal preference thing. You don't have to. You can do whatever you want to do to get some oil on your shrimp. Alright, now that I've got the shrimp all oiled and seasoned up, I put the frozen shrimp with their oil and seasoning into the Breville Combi Wave and close up. And now that I have them in, I just press the From Frozen button, and that takes me to a menu where I can select between chicken, meat, and fish. I scroll down to fish, and I just click in, and it asks me the weight. The lowest weight you can do is 8 ounces, and that's what I have. I have a use pan icon that lit up to let me know to use the pan. And so since I've got 8 ounces from frozen, I just click in on start, and what it's doing a 2-stage cook. What's happening now for these first 10 minutes is the defrost. The microwave does a low-powered defrost. After this defrost, it switches over into a Fast Combi cook where it uses the convection oven, the grill, and the microwave to grill the shrimp after it's done with the defrost. So you'll see that after this defrost phase is done. Alright, it's coming into the final 10 seconds of the defrost phase, and it's about to kick right over into the Fast Combi cook. I don't have to do anything, it just switched over. 6 minutes to go, and these shrimp will be done. Alright, we're coming into the last 10 seconds. Got my thermopin to do a quick temperature test of the shrimp once they're finished cooking. Time's up. Gonna stick it in here, see what we get. We got 166, 167, 168 and rising. So we're good on our temperature of the shrimp, and I can say that, I've done this before. This works perfectly, like every time. So I'm going to get the shrimp out carefully. I'll mention, this doesn't make a lot of splatter. You see some like steam down there on that bottom glass, but it's not like a bunch of oil splatters. It doesn't make any type of real mess in there. And I'm just going to get maybe a couple shrimp to do our taste test with, and we'll get the camera moved and do a taste test. Alright, there's our shrimp. And basically it was 10 minutes to defrost and 6 minutes to cook. That's 16 minutes and you've got grilled shrimp from frozen. So let's do a taste. Those shrimp come out perfect. They're not overcooked, as you saw from the temperature. They're the right amount of, moistness and soft as you would want from shrimp. They taste great. The Old Bay and the oil do a great job seasoning those up. So, you can have some shrimp anytime, fast and easy, not a lot of work. It just does it in one simple step of putting it in, setting the setting, and just watching it go. And so you can find this, other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Also, if you like this video, you can definitely give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Leave your comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. In the video description are links for this cooker. Well, actually not this cooker because this one isn't sold, where I have the referral relationship, but other cookers are available in the video description with referral links. Pay the same price, help this channel. And to you and yours, good eating.